So I'm going to demo for all these tools in my next module, which I'm going to start from the next week. Okay, where you will get the demo of all these things, even the Canva and Pixelbay and whatever the tools I'm telling here. Okay, you'll get the demo. So don't worry about that. Just understand that why we are going to use this, how we are going to use these tools, and from where we can get it. For that we have multiple time. Okay. So okay. So what? So one. Okay. So now for blogging, WordPress is the best tool. Okay, you can use the WordPress. Okay, it's a very good tool and it's a free of cost tool also. For content management, I'm saying that this is a best tool. You need not to go to other blogging platform like Blogger and all these things. WordPress, you have your own hosting. WordPress has lot of plugins which will help you, enhancing the potential of your site. Okay, so WordPress is one of the best tool. I always recommend for that, and this is wordpress.org, not wordpress.com. Okay, so anyways, I will give a demo for this. Okay. Harsh, sir, for affiliate marketing, is blog necessary? Okay, I will give all these answers at the end of the session, Harsh. Okay, let's complete this presentation and then I will go through all these questions. Yeah. So now I told you for image or image creator, Canva is good. It is also free also. Okay. Okay. Now what happens? Now you have blog. Okay, but you may not very good in writing the content. Okay, that might be one reason. Second reason, that you have your own business, so you are not getting much time writing the content. So these two reasons, okay, which may delay your keep regular update to your blog and all these things. Okay, so for that purpose, there is one side that is Content Mart. Okay, and this is where the lot of freelancers are there who can write content for you. You can write your what are the your you can say you need. Okay, what kind of content you need, you can write and people bid there. Okay, and you can see the multiple bids there, and you can give your this work to people whom you have selected. So this is Content Mart is one of the good, and I can say it's the cheapest one. You can start getting bid from 20 paisa per word. Okay, so this is the optional tool. Okay, so if you don't have time, then you can do it. Okay, and if you can write your own, it is well and good. Okay, but even I'm saying, even if you are giving the content to someone else to write, the you can say feel of the content, what should be inside the content, the proper idea and all these things, you should get to the freelancer. Okay, maybe he's writing but the idea and what are things you want, that should be specifically, you should mention that. Then it is it will come good in good way. Okay, so this is one thing, this for that the content. And even this content is not for your blogging also, you can have your content for your website also. Okay, so for website, maybe about me page or website home page and all these things. So this content is very much required. Today even I have reviewed, I have a call with few people and I've reviewed their website and their blog also, and I find that they have lot of content. Okay, but the way they have to represent those content is not good. Okay, that required lot of optimization. Okay, so this is one thing. Now the next thing, you need whatever the blog or website you have to host it somewhere, correct? So for hosting those things, you need two things. You need a domain name and you need a hosting provider. So what is domain name? Domain name is simple. Like I've said that our website name is squadninja.net. Okay, so squadninja.net is a domain name. If it is available, sometimes you can want to create a domain name with from your blog for your business, okay, or sometimes on your name itself, okay. You want to, so you have to check that availability is available there or not, okay. So .com is good, okay, good domain. Try to find in .com, but it's up to you, okay. If you very specific to India, you can take a .in domain name, and I find that GoDaddy provides very cheap domain name. So if you don't have right now, you can use this, okay. And second thing is the hosting, and I must say, whenever you are going to select the hosting provider, you should be very careful, because whatever your website in three ways, okay, three core essential, or you can say mandatory thing should adhere to your website. First thing and foremost thing is the security of your website, okay. So whatever a hosting provider is going to provide, it should be, your website should be very secure with that, okay, because if someone hacked your website, then it's very difficult to get it back, okay. So number one thing, very good and genuine hosting provider should be there, okay. That is, I'm talking about the security. Second thing, whatever the hosting you are taking, that should be the fast, okay. It should not like that someone click on your website and it's 5 minutes is rotating only, and is not able to see that your page is loaded yet, okay. So the span time of 2 to 3 seconds. If a person is going to your website and is not able to see your website within 3 seconds, he will leave that website. So the loading speed should be very good for your website, okay. And third and most important thing is the support. What kind of support that hosting provider is providing, that should be, because sometimes you may get a lot of issues, okay. So they should support you very well. So I am currently using the SiteGround, okay. Of course hosting is a paid, so ever I have mentioned lot, all are the free or some are optional, okay. This domain name and hosting is paid, and mostly it's yearly, okay. So I am using the SiteGround, okay. So I have also partnership with the SiteGround. So if you want to have this SiteGround, you can compare it. Even in coming video, I'm going to explain the SiteGround and why it is good and why it is best, okay. Because I have used GoDaddy also, Bluehost also, and all these things, and then I come to a conclusion that this is best. Anyways, we can have more detailed discussion later, even though I will share my link, okay. You can go through it and you can see, and you can get 60% discount also with that my affiliate link. This is my affiliate link, so very clear and transparent to you, okay. But it is good, that's why I'm referring, and I'm referring only one SiteGround. It's not like that I have affiliate link for Bluehost also, SiteGround also, GoDaddy also, and I'm saying okay, you choose anyone. It's not like that. I'm only referring in the whole module one hosting platform, and that is SiteGround, okay. So now it's a SiteGround. I will share the link here, Seema. Don't worry about that. At the end of this, I will share the link. Okay, so you can go through it.